Today, let's analyze a simple yet essential nonfiction text, the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich recipe. This article serves as a guide to one of the most popular snacks around. Step 1. Identify the purpose. The main purpose of this article is to teach readers how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It provides clear, easy to follow instructions that anyone can use from kids to adults. Step 2. Examine the structure. This article is structured in a step by step format. It lists the ingredients and other information that you need, followed by a simple sequence of instructions. This organization makes it easy to follow along even for beginners. Step 3. Analyze the evidence. The evidence here includes the ingredients and steps provided for making the sandwich. This article might even offer tips, such as, in this case, removing crust and cutting it diagonally. Step 4. Consider the tone and style. The tone is informative and friendly. The simple language used ensures that everyone, including children, can understand and follow the instructions with ease. Step 5. Reflect on the impact. The impact of this article is significant as it empowers the readers to create their own snack. By reflecting on its impact, we see how a simple task fosters independence and creativity in the kitchen. In summary, analyzing the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich involves looking at its purpose, structure, evidence, tone, and impact. This method helps us understand not just how to make a sandwich, but also the effectiveness of instructional writing in our everyday lives. Thanks for watching.